Yo, what's up? So, GoPro has really pushed, ever since the GoPro 8, the idea of using a GoPro as a webcam. Now, it's possible. Is it always good? No. But I want to talk a little bit about how you actually do it and how much of an option you should actually consider it being. So, with the GoPro, I have a 7 and a 10. We're going to be using the 10. They're right up there. See them up there? I'm going to be using my 10, and we're going to be talking a little bit about how you can use these as a webcam. So first, I need a USB-C cable, which luckily I have. It's attached to a drive, but don't need that anymore. Okay, so we have a USB-C to USB-C cable right here. Lovely USB-C. Come on, focus. Okay, we have our USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's really all we need. We just need that and a connection to a computer. So we have our meter-long USB-C cable. We're going to plug one end into my 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, and then move this one out of the way, because I have two GoPros up here, as you saw. We're going to flip down the little door on the side of my 10. Oh my gosh, I broke it. Just kidding, these come off. And plug it in. Alright, it's plugged in. Now, we just got to turn it on, and then we can turn on the webcam software. GoPro, turn on. It works sometimes, I swear. So, it's turning on. Now, there's a lovely piece of software called the GoPro Webcam Utility. And I have it here on my computer. GoPro Webcam, launch. Okay, so the GoPro's on. It says a USB is connected. I'm not going to show you guys. And now we have our screen. So I'm just going to turn this guys around so you guys can see this. So you see my screen here. Also, the GoPro's on up there. USB connected. So here's my screen. Zoom in there. Alright, so right up here in my menu bar, you can see a bunch of different icons. Oh my gosh, come on, focus. Oh, good to focus. Okay. So right here, we have the GoPro app. So it says GoPro Webcam. Oh my gosh, come on, focus. Come on. Okay, we're just going to say show preview. I don't know why it's not focusing. And then down here, it shows the camera view. So it's right, camera's right up here. And it's just focusing on, yeah, so we got, my desk setup, we got my laptop, my iPad, my monitor, camera, me. Now, part of it is due to my roommate, but I'm also in the middle of some stuff right now, so not the cleanest. Okay, so here's the software, right? And you can see it, you can scale it, you can do whatever you like. Okay, so let's just point it at the screen here. Okay, so we have the thing here. Now, what can we really do with it, right? Now, I think it's actually pretty good for webcam. I will say, one thing that is a problem is you cannot import this into something like QuickTime. So if I go here to QuickTime, and then go up here to movie recording, so I don't know what this thing's pulling off of. This thing's pulling off of. I can pull it off my phone, but I can't pull it off my GoPro. Oh look, there's another angle of me. Okay, so as you see, we can't pull it off the GoPro. Now, we can, however, do it through software. So we're going to launch a streaming software, OBS, and through that we will be able to pull it up. So here we have the GoPro, and there's a GoPro capture. So this is our lovely GoPro feed here, and we can see that that's just working perfectly fine. You can bring it into streaming software, you just can't do it over other things. Now, anywhere you can really import a video feed, you can import it as a camera. So, alright, and if we want to do it, we can do this, yes. And then for our webcam, we can just, I don't know what that was, say next. next. Yes, this is a private stream. And then when we get here, we can switch this to the GoPro webcam. Nice. Go live. And now we wait, and it has pulled it straight up as a stream. So you can do it. Doesn't mean it's going to be good, but you can do it. And then of course we can go in, and I think can't change our camera, but we could go through streaming software and then change like our camera feeds and have like a full switcher and all that in there. So we're gonna end the stream before someone somehow gets access to it. That is how we can actually do a stream on using GoPro software. So it's pretty cool, works pretty well. If you found this video interesting or helpful at all, if you're someone who uses a GoPro, tell me what you use it for. I'm curious. Do you think it could be better? Do you think it could be worse? What would you prefer the GoPro to do or not do? You know, it's all those things like that. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to comment down below what you see in an upcoming video and follow me on my social media. Links are below. Take it easy, fam. Peace. GoPro, turn off. No? Okay. It works. I swear it works occasionally. I swear it works occasionally. I promise. Okay. See ya.